Children, let us now read the lesson, The Monkey and the Log. As we are reading, we will also underline the new words in this lesson. So let's begin. Lesson number 5, The Monkey and the Log. Listen, read and enact. Once upon a time, certain workmen, we will first underline the word workmen, were busy building a temple. Now here we will underline the word building and temple. When it was noon, Ram Rao, let's go to the town for lunch. So we underline the word lunch here. Okay, Shamrao, I'll just put a wedge here and come. So we'll underline the word wedge. Let's hope no one touches that wedge while we are away. So we underline the word touches. Suddenly, a monkey arrived. We will underline the word suddenly and arrived. What is this piece of wood doing here? Here we will underline the word piece. I wonder what will happen if I pull it out. So here we will underline the word wonder and happen. Ugh, it's tough. So we underline the word tough. Out it came. Help! The gap closed in, trapping the monkey's tail. So here we will underline the word trapping. The poor monkey cried in pain. We underline the word pain. So we should not meddle with things that are not concerned to us. Here we will underline the word meddle and concerned. Now, let us now read these words once again. Learn and write the words neatly. As I am reading, you will repeat the words after me and you are going to write these words in your word file notebook in a neat handwriting. And you have to learn the spellings as well. So let's begin. Workmen. Come on, repeat after me. Workmen. Temple. Touch. I hope all of you are repeating the words after me. Suddenly. Wonder. Building. Wedge. Lunch. Arrived. Medal. Trapping. Concerned. So children, with the help of this video, you will practice reading this lesson and also don't forget to write down these words in your word file notebook in a neat handwriting. Thank you.